Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make crispy and crunchy babycorn fry. For this recipe, I'm going to use 1 can of babycorn, oil for frying, 1 cup of besan or gram flour, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 pinch of asafoetida, and salt to taste. First, I'm going to mix all the powders together in a bowl. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And stir it and mix it well. In the meantime, I'm keeping the oil for frying. Make sure it's on a medium flame. Now I'm going to take the babycorn and put it into the mixture and give it a mix. I'm not adding any water since the babycorn is already wet. After coating the mixture, I'm going to transfer it to a plate. Now I have coated the babycorn in the mixture. Our next step is to fry it. Now my oil is hot. I put it on a medium flame. Now we're going to start frying the babycorn. After mixing the babycorn with the mixture, make sure you fry it immediately. After a minute of frying, it has changed into a dark brown color. Now we're going to remove it. Your crispy, crunchy babycorn fry is ready. You can either add chaat masala on top of it or chili powder, and you can serve it with tomato ketchup. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you.